Hi, everyone. My name is Sean. I'm broadcasting from Japan now. Yes. I came back to Japan Sunday, and now I'm with the parent company in Japan. Okay. So I took a flight Saturday around 4 p.m. from Singapore airport, and then I took a flight to Hong Kong. Hong Kong is the connecting flight, and then I took flight back to Japan. Okay, so altogether, well, I left the hotel in Johor, Malaysia around 12 at noon, and then I got home around 6:30 in the morning. So it took me a quite long time to get home from Johor, Malaysia. I think that was the cheapest flight tickets that I got from Expedia, I think. So it took me long time. Okay, let me share one picture again. Okay, well, this is a picture of some stuff in Johor office, and which I think I shared this picture some time ago. They are well equipped with the knowledge and experiences, and then I got to see, face to face. I got to communicate with them well about how they are working and how they are doing their customer support with clients, and they're very friendly. So if you have any questions or if you need any assistance, they can they listen to you, they listen to your problems, and they work out the solution together. They provide the solutions to you. So they're very nice and professional. Yes. So, and regardless you're beginner or experienced, they can help you. So don't hesitate, don't be too shy, but just come to us for customer support, and they'll help you on the phone. Okay, I really miss them, but I think I will go back to Johor, Malaysia in, I guess, the end of April or next month. Okay, I'll see them again. And this one this is a picture of driver that I always book for going to Singapore airport. Well, Singapore is right next to Johor, Malaysia, and then you can see Singapore from Johor. I mean, if you are in the office, then you can see Singapore that close, very close, just there. But if there's a bad traffic, right? There's one bridge connecting Singapore and Johor, and there's immigration offices in the middle. So immigration, lots of Johor people go to Singapore, and then vice versa, because some of the many of Malaysians in Johor, they work in Singapore, and that is one of the main reasons why there's lots of traffic. And I like this driver because he's very nice and friendly. So it's good to have someone very nice in a place where you are not too familiar. So if the place is very new, then having someone very friendly and nice is very I think important. Yeah, it helps me a lot. Okay. And yeah, so I felt safe going to Singapore and took a flight to Hong Kong and all the way back to Japan. Yeah. And I feel it's important to have someone very nice, because when I was in the US, I went to university in the US. I know nobody around, and I didn't have friends and so on. But I share a house because I didn't have much money. So, and then my housemate's very nice, friendly, around my age, and it's good to have good friends where you are not familiar with the place. So anyway, let me minimize this. Okay. So, and fortunately my stomach ache is now much better. It's not hurting me anymore, and now I'm enjoying some Japanese food, so it's much better now. Feel better. Okay. Now let's move on to trading. Let's talk about signal, and also 303 strategy, and then also martingale. Okay. Okay. Signal first. Hold on, yeah. Let me. Hold on. Okay, let me refresh my Facebook. Okay, so signal. Okay, this is a signal that we have been sending out to our existing customers. Okay, and then we have here some currency pairs also available on a binary option platform, and then we have time frame here. Okay, so time frame, we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and up to a weekly. But today I'm going to try a 303 strategy in which I trade 3 minutes option. So I think time frame 1 minute is long enough. Then I see some pairs here, right? So okay. So where it says strong sell, meaning the market movement is going down, so so you purchase low when it says strong sell. Okay, but when it says strong buy, the market movement is going up. So when it says strong buy, you purchase high, right? Okay, and then where it says neutral, meaning market movement is flat. Okay, flat. So when it says neutral, you don't want to make any purchases because it's basically flat and you don't know where it's going, right? So you want to make purchases. You want to take an action where you are confident about the market movement, either high or down. Okay, so that's what you wish to do. All right. Okay. And then this signal basically tells you, strong sell or strong buy, and it is a combination of indicators. So you do not have to spend time on, let's say, setting up indicators, on your platform. You do not have to learn about indicators and how it works and so on. It's not too complicated. It just says strong sell or strong buy. So you just need to follow whatever signal that this page giving you. Yeah. Okay. So it's very helpful. Okay. Now this signal becomes more powerful if you have your own strategy. If you know how to trade on your own. Okay. That's what I'm going to share with you today, and that is called 303 strategy. Okay. Now let me add one more platform. I mean graph. I choose Darayen 30 minutes, and then I choose Darayen 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. So the strategy, okay. Well, it comes down to every indicator or whatever strategy that the market people talk about. It's basically it's going any type of strategy will help you to understand the market movement, either up, either high or down. So as long as you know market trend, then there's a high potential possibility that you end up in a good result, good performance. Okay, and one of the ways that we have been telling our customers is 303 strategy, and this strategy is used on a binary options platform. Okay. Now, looking at the 30 minutes graph, we'll see if the market trend is down or up. So, like this one, if I were to draw the trend line, yes, the market seems to be going down. The market trend seems to be down. Okay, right. So, this market price now might come back a little bit higher, then might come down like this, because always moves in zigzag. Okay, so when the market price has come back here and here, you want to purchase low. Okay, so looking at the 30 minutes graph, you decide either high or low just based on the market trend. Then you purchase high or low on the 3 minutes option. So just learning market trend on the 30 minutes graph, then make purchase on the 3 minutes option. Okay, that's how it works. Okay. So okay, let me try first, because this one is already moving down, right? And there I am showing strong sell. So I want to see the market price come back a little bit higher, and then I make low. So now I'm not making any purchase. Okay. Okay, now let's talk about martingale. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's say that now the market trend is low, right? So you make purchase low on 3 minutes option. Okay, so for example, you make purchase low here, this one here, but now the market is going against you, right? So when you make low here, then you are confident that market movement ends up like this. So the first trade you can make here, and second trade you can make here, even here. Okay, and then the market price will eventually goes down here. Okay, so if you make 2 trades using martingale strategy within 3 minutes option, then for example, the first one you make purchase here $1 low here, and then second one you make purchase, for example, $3 here. Then what will happen at the end? Okay, if you lose your first trade here, your loss is $1, right? But if you win your second trade, so you trade $3, so and then let's just assume that the payout ratio is 70%. Okay, so $3 times 70% is $2.10. Okay, what we'll do is that you lose the first trade $1, but your second trade is $2.10 in profits. Okay, so if the market moves like this, and then it's higher than your previous the first trade, but it's lower than your second trade, then what happens is that your end up profit is $2.10 minus $1 and gives you $1.10. Okay, so as long as your later trades, your last trade, the profit can cover your previous losses and also end up in some profits, then your martingale works. Okay, and let me share this one spreadsheet. Okay, this is a spreadsheet that we have been giving to our clients. Okay, so if you want this spreadsheet, please let us know so we can offer this for free. Okay, this is just a screenshot of spreadsheet, and if I zoom in a little bit, then it might. Okay, can you see? Okay, for example, my example is here, $1 and $3, and let's talk about maybe $7 here. So if your two trades, the first one and second trade lose, then your loss is $4, right? But if your third trade wins, it gives you $4.19 profit. So what happens is that this can cover your previous two losses, that's $4, and give you 0.19 cents profit. So that's how it works. So if you are not sure of trade amount that you should be making, then this spreadsheet can tell you. Okay, so you don't have to think about it. You don't have to spend time on it. Okay, and if you are a little bit more experienced, then we have large amount. So if you are more beginners, then we have less amount here. But if you want something challenging, then basically you can try the higher trade amount. And then of course, if you raise your trade amount, then your end up profits is higher. So that's how it works. Okay, so let's talk about this. Okay, let's do some trading. So let me refresh my Facebook. Okay. So now, okay, the 30 minutes, now it's going down a little bit. So let me refresh my So diagram is showing strong sell. Okay, then I'll try martingale. So let me purchase low here. So if the market price comes back higher, maybe here, then I make another low. So I try this one, $30. But now the market is going down, and the signal is also strong sell. So the trend line here. So I guess this market price come back a little bit higher, then just went back. Now it's trying to come back again. See, the market come back. But as I see this one here, the market might turn into neutral. Okay, so I wait a little bit more. The signal is still showing strong sell. Okay, purchase low. So I made the second trade $30. Okay, so what happens? So if the market price ends up here, for instance, okay, I lose the first trade, but I win the second trade, so I end up in some profits. So that's this is the martingale strategy. Yeah, so let's wait. So 34, 33, 30 seconds left. So hopefully the market price will end up lower than my second trade, so I'll get some profits at the end. So okay, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, that was really close. Okay, so what happens? Okay, the first one I traded $10, then I lost $10, right? But the second trade I traded $30 and I got profits $21, because this is a 70% payout ratio. So altogether I got $11 profits. Okay, so my balance has increased by $11. Okay, so this is the martingale strategy. Okay, well, I feel good by winning a little bit. So let me share one question from a customer. Okay, he is asking if he can do the martingale on his mobile as well. The answer is yes, you can. Yes. Okay, like this one, mine, Android phone, Android. Okay. We have a binary options application for Android, and you can download our application from Google Play. And if you do not have an Android, don't worry, we still have a URL for all the mobiles, all types of mobile. This is a HTML URL, so you can open it on every mobile. So you can even do it on your Android. You can do it on iPhone, and maybe if you have BlackBerry, then you could do it. Okay. So, and then I don't know if you had a opportunity to look at this page. This one has a video where it talks about how to do the martingale on our mobile application. And this one here, what you're looking is our Android mobile application. Okay, so if you have Android mobile, then you can download Lion binary. You can search by Lion binary, and then you can install one on your Android phone. And also you can download our MT4 application on your Android phone. Okay, and you can log into Android application and MT4 application with the same login ID and password. Okay, and if you open the MT4 application, on there we are providing the chart very similar to what you see on MT4 platform, desktop platform. Then you can look at the 30 minutes graph on MT4 mobile. Then you can decide you can decide looking at the chart, either high or down, high or low or flat. Okay, either the market movement is moving up or down or flat, right? Then you go back to our Android application, and you can just click on low, right, if the market trend is low. And if the market trend is high, you can just simply click on high. Okay, and then just focus on the Android application, and then you can purchase, and you can even do the martingale. You just need the same logic applies to Android phone applications too. So you can do 1, 3, and 7, and so on. So it's very simple. So after the this live trade show, I will paste this URL on Facebook. So maybe you can take some time to watch this video as well. Okay. So I guess today I think I have one more chance to trade maybe. See that the market seems to be going flat here. See that when it's flat, then look at the 3 minutes. See this? Going up and down. You don't know where it's going. So maybe change the instrument. Euro dollar 30 minutes. About the same. So when it's flat, I don't make any purchase. Yeah, see this? Very interesting. Let me refresh my okay, see that? Darien is now showing neutral. See? So it corresponds with the current market movement. So it will be interesting when it now it turns to strong sell. Maybe this movement here. Oh, now it's going down. See, but I'm not sure about the see that line here. It looks flat, right? So when it's flat, then I don't make any purchase. Whether it's on when it's on trend, then that's only when I make purchases. So yeah, so you want to follow your strategy. Yeah, so once you have one strategy, then your trade can be built up on your strategy. Okay, well, the time is almost up, so today I'm going to just talk about the bonus. Okay, so if you do not have a binary option account with us, then you can come to our website www.hiroseuk.com HIROSEUK.com, and on the home page, let me click this. See that there's a banner here, icon here, so you can click on it. Then you'll see the this bonus information. Okay, so when your binary option account has been activated, then we give you $10 welcome bonus. Just filling in the application form will not take you more than 5 minutes. And then if you do not know how to fill in or what needs to be sent to us, then just come to our live chat services. Here, this one, the chat services. So you can just click on it and start chatting with our customer support, and they'll help you how to fill in and what needs to be sent to us for the activation of your binary option account. Yeah? Okay. And again, this $10 is all yours, so you can do the strategy, 303 strategy, or you can even try this signal page, and also you can do the martingale with this $10 welcome bonus. Okay, so you can try this before making the investment into your binary option account. All right. So I hope today I kind of quickly explain everything, but I hope you got to understand me. But if anything is not clear, if anything you didn't understand, just let us know. All right. So I see you then tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much then. Okay. Bye bye.